Enjoy this guava jelly with bread, with paratha, with puri, with roti, and as a side dish. And this yummy guava jelly is very, very nutritious, as it is made up of all the healthy products which are your freshly taken guava from the tree. Then lemon juice we have used of 1 lemon, and we have used sugar and no other ingredient other than these. So it's a very healthy and ready to eat jelly which you can prepare easily within a time of about half an hour. It will be ready. Let's make today guava jelly. So I have taken here 1 kg of guava which I have washed, and I will be cutting these guavas, and 2 lemons and about half kg of sugar. So let's start making yummy guava jelly which you can use with bread or your parathas, and children generally like this jelly. So I am making with guavas which are produced at home itself. So all natural products will be used in this, and there are no artificial products used, so it will be a healthy jelly made at home. So all of you can try to make this jelly at home and learn such wonderful things from your own channel, that is Unique Learning. Stay tuned to the channel. I hope all of you have subscribed to the channel. You can share the videos with your friends also. Like, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's make wonderful guava jellies. Cut the guava into small slices like this, and then you have to put it in pressure cooker and cook it until it's 2 whistles. That is, when 2 whistles are over, then you can close this and then you can allow it to cool down. So let's see how we do it. These cut guavas will be taken in the pressure cooker, and you add 1 glass full of water into it, and then we will close the lid and cook it for few minutes, that is till its 2 whistles have gone. After that we will close the gas stove and we will allow it to cool down so that the guava juice can be taken out of it. Our guava is cooked, you can see, and you can press it and check it. Yes, as it is cooked, you can press it easily. First we will take out the juice with help of putting it in this cloth. 1 cloth piece I have taken, cotton cloth piece, so that I can take out the juice, and the pulp can be taken for some other purpose. Only juice has to be taken out of this guava. Take the cooked guava in this cloth piece, and you have to press it with your hand like this, so that you get the juice out of the guava. You have to press it very hard, squeeze it hard, so that all the juice comes out of this cooked guava. Try to extract it by pressing with hand hard. Our guava juice pulp is from the pulp we have obtained the juice, and this pulp is removed like this by pressing it with the cloth. So this pulp, if you want, you can use for some purpose like making jam or making some guava curry. And this is the juice. We will put 1 lemon juice. You see, 1 small lemon I have taken, and 1 lemon juice we will add to this guava juice to provide it a sour taste. This is essential, and it also acts as a preservative for this guava jelly. Actually, lemon and it's having this citric acid, so this citric acid will act as a preservative for this guava jelly. To this guava juice, in which lemon juice is added, I will add this sugar. So you can add the sugar as per your taste. Sugar also acts as a preservative. So it's better to add more amount of sugar to this. And it should become like a jelly. So it needs lots of sugar in this. So let's add this sugar and we will continuously mix it with help of a ladle. You will keep on mixing it and we will see by hand whether it's ready or not. The consistency will be checked by hand. So let's allow it to boil and mix properly. Then we will test it by hand that whether it's ready or not. These yummy jellies are ready, as you can see here. Wow, what a yummy jelly, and you can do its testing by this. You see, this in one flow, single flow, when the jelly has started coming, so it means that the jelly is ready. And you can see the bubbles, how the bubbles are coming in this yummy looking orange brownish colored jelly. This jelly is very healthy for you as it is made only of freshly taken guava from the tree, and one lemon juice is used and sugar is used and nothing else. And preparation time is about 20 to 25 minutes. So it's easily prepared. See how this jelly is boiling. So it has to be allowed to boil and all the water content should be removed from it. And it has to come to a consistency like this. You can see it is flowing in a one continuous flow. You can even do testing of this jelly by means of hand, that is by touching it by hand. If you feel it's coming at like this threads are formed, so it means when you see it's coming in one single stretch. So this guava jelly is ready now. But while doing this testing by hand, you have to be very careful. Otherwise you can burn your hands also, and you can see what a beautiful, wonderful orangish brown color has come. So now I think the jelly is ready because it's flowing in one continuous flow. As you can see here, it's flowing in one single flow, and you see how it's flowing in one single flow. So it's thick enough and now it can be stored. So store it in glass containers, and if you want to thicken it more further, you can keep it in refrigerator. Then you will get a much thicker jelly. You see how it's flowing in one single flow. So your guava jelly, which is a very very yummy jelly as it looks, you can use it with bread. You can eat it with paratha, you can eat it with roti, you can use it as a side dish. See this wonderful jelly which is ready now, and the nice color which I have obtained of the jelly. It is somewhat orangish, brownish colored which has come. So I have stored it in a steel container. You can store it in glass container as my jelly was hot. So I stored it in this steel container. So like this you can also make jelly and store it and use it with bread, paratha, roti, and enjoy the nice natural flavor, as it is made up of all the natural products which are guava, lemon and sugar. So it's a totally natural product and good for health. So I hope all of you have subscribed to Unique Learning. Stay tuned to this channel and enjoy making such wonderful food items and learn many more such good things from this channel. So stay tuned to the channel. Happy learning. Like and share the videos. Thank you.